Do batteries need to be installed if a common wire is used for power redundancy? When a thermostat or device has a common wire providing continuous 24-volt power from the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control board, batteries are not strictly required for normal operation because the common wire supplies the steady current the device needs. However, it is best practice to verify the transformer capacity and the total current draw of all connected devices so the circuit is not overloaded. Measure the transformer's volt-ampere rating and add the milliamp draw of each device to ensure a comfortable margin. If a device supports both hard wiring and batteries, use batteries as a secondary layer of redundancy to cover brief outages and to prevent resets during transformer brownouts. For installations where uptime is critical, consider adding a small, uninterruptible power supply or a dedicated auxiliary transformer sized for peak loads in addition to batteries. This keeps network hubs and smart controllers stable during longer interruptions. When wiring, always turn off power at the breaker, confirm with a meter you have no voltage present, and follow polarity and screw terminal torque guidelines to avoid intermittent connections. For smart thermostats, follow the manufacturer instructions for common wire detection and any firmware settings that optimize charge management so internal batteries are not overtaxed. Common issues include miswired common conductors that appear connected but are not tied to the correct transformer, which you can fix by tracing the common back to the air handler or control board and confirming continuity with a meter. Another frequent problem is insufficient transformer capacity, causing devices to reboot or batteries to drain, which you solve by calculating total load and upgrading to a higher rated transformer or relocating non-essential loads. A third concern is relying solely on batteries for extended outages when they are intended for short-term redundancy. So set expectations that batteries bridge short interruptions and consider adding external power solutions for longer events. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for electrical and HVAC work and helps contractors find new projects and clients. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips and troubleshooting experience with power redundancy and thermostat wiring.